How to make and create a business letter on Google Docs PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just follow with me until the end. First thing you have to do is go to Google Docs, of course. Now go right here to those templates and click here. After you click here, you will find a lot of templates. So all what you have to do is just scroll down until you find letters, and after you find the letters, you will find the business letter option. Choose the one that you want. I'm gonna choose this one, and here it will take you to this page directly to edit the informations. Now here you can change the name easily and fast like this. And yeah, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and you can also save the document from here after you finish. See you in the next video.